Hi, you've found the new good morning routine. Let's try it together. First, here's some information to start your day. Right now in Hubli it's 78 and mostly cloudy. Today, there'll be scattered thunderstorms with a forecast high of 92 and a low of 73. Next, I'll play the news. And just so you know, you can customize this routine. I can take your phone off silent, turn on your lights, play music or podcasts and more. To customize your good morning routine, check out routines in Google Assistant settings.